Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete watch history from your TikTok account. Okay, so let's get straight to it without wasting much time. So let's go to TikTok. Okay, so when you are here, you head over to your profile. Okay, click on these three parallel lines, then click on settings and privacy, then go to activity center, then click on watch history. Okay, as you can see, these are the videos I watched on TikTok. So if you want to delete them one after the other, okay, just click and hold the video, the particular one you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. I click and hold it, then it will give me the option to delete or cancel. Then I click delete, then I confirm the deletion by clicking this delete. Okay, I have deleted that. But if you want to delete multiple videos at once, like if you don't want to delete them one after the other, you want to delete multiple videos, or even you want to delete all of them, you can click this select at the top right side of the screen. Click select, then it will give you the option to start marking the videos that you want to delete. Okay, so click on any of the video to mark it. I've marked this one. Click another one. Click as much as you want to, as many as you want to delete. Okay, you just mark them. Okay, let's say I want to delete these 8 videos. Okay, so once you are done marking, if you want, you can mark all of them and you click delete and confirm delete, and they're all gone. Okay, so friends, this is how to delete watch history from your TikTok account. Thank you, and see you in the next one.